Hey YouTube family, welcome to October. The year is almost done. Oh my gosh, 2017 just went by like that. Welcome to our collaboration, Keisha Adinkra and I. This is our collaboration green beauty look for the month of October. We've been giving you guys looks all year long. Unfortunately, August and September we missed out on. We did have a collaboration video that we did do together though in September where we did do a get ready with us. So that kind of counts as our September look. So I will link that video right here if you guys want to see that, where we were together in this very room together and we did a collaboration look, a get ready with us look that we uploaded in September. For the month of October, we decided to do a transformational look where you try to transform to someone else. And the person I decided to transform to is Danai Gurira. And if you guys don't know who she is the badass chick from The Walking Dead. She also played Tupac's mother in All Eyes on Me movie I loved. I will link Keisha's video below in the description bar so you guys can go check it out to see who she decides to transform into for the month of October. Definitely check her out, show her some love. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. If you decide to recreate this look yourself, don't forget to tag me on all the social media sites. And that is all. Hope you enjoy your tutorial and have a great day. First off, we're going to start off with the crease color. This is called Marsala and it's from Mother Bear's Handmade. All the products will be listed in the description bar for your convenience. Marsala in the creased area as my transition color. It's kind of hard to see what color she has on her lid. I'm looking at the picture right now and in all the pictures her eyes are open, so I can't really see what color she has on her lid. But from close examination, I think it's like a very taupe, maybe peach color. So with that assumption, I'm just going to use my Pacifica Enlighten palette. I'm going to take this color right here. It looks very, very peach on camera. However, when I apply it to my skin tone, it's like a more sheer color. The color is not as strong. And I'm going to apply that all over my lid. See, on my eyelid, it doesn't come off as peach as it is in the pan. So I think this is good. So believe it or not, those are the only two colors I'm going to put on my eyelid because there is not much color on her eyelid. And the ones, if there is more color, I can see it. Next what we're going to do is line the eyes. And I'm just using my Physicians Formula, my usual eyeliner pencil. Well, it's not a pencil, it's like a marker. And we're going to line. And yes, I know it's weird. I always start from the middle of my eyes. I don't know why. I don't start at the end. Don't judge me. Let me check to see if she has a wing. Okay, so no, she does not have a wing, so let's not make a wing. Let's just stop it right there. Off camera, I applied lashes. I applied the Ardel Ardel Wispy lashes. That's all I did off camera. Now I'm going to line my bottom waterline with my usual. This is the Earth Lab Cosmetics. This is their vegan eyeliner pencil in the color black. Now for the pop of purple under the bottom of her eyes, we're going to use this color right here. It is the color Lilac and it is from Laws of Nature Cosmetics. Now we're going to take care of the face. So I'm going to now apply some foundation. My face was bare before, there was no foundation. This is just the face. So now I'm going to actually use the Elate foundation from Elate Cosmetics. This is a sample that I received a while back. And I did a review on this entire foundation. If you guys want to see it, I'll link it right there for you. And I'm going to use the color Sienna as my full face foundation. Forgot to put on primer. But it's okay. I'm not really going anywhere. But if you wanted to, you could put on primer before this step. But I'm not going anywhere. I'm just doing this look to wash it off. And honestly, right after this, it's like about 7 in the morning on a Sunday. And right after this, I'm washing this all off to go apple picking on the farm with the family. So this is just for y'all. Foundation is on, all blended in to the best that I can do. As far as concealer, she doesn't have a prominent concealed under eye. There is some concealer there, but it's very light, so I have to be careful with that to make sure that I don't do a heavy concealed look. So I'm going to go with the concealer that matches my skin tone the closest, and this is from Plain Jane Beauty, of course, as usual, which is the one that I use down here. I'm just going to dab this a little bit, not too much, and just blend like my life depends on it. And try not to mess up the color that I put under my eye already. I'm just going to set it with my Plain Jane translucent powder. Just dab it underneath there. Set it so it doesn't go anywhere. Okay, so she does have on some blush. I do see a little bit of warmth on around her face and on her cheeks, so she is wearing bronzer. So I'm just going to use my Shea Moisture Illuminating Dust Mineral Bronzer. And I'm just going to use this big fluffy brush right here and bronze up my cheeks and around my face. She is wearing blush, and the blush looks like a brownish reddish color. I have two blush here. I don't know which one I want to use. I have Currant and Toasty from Blac Minerals Cosmetics. Currant is more of a brick reddish color, brownish red. Toasty is more of an apricot, I would say peachy red tone. I think I'm gonna go with Currant. After I just spilled it all on my vanity. Shoes, blouse, and skirt. Yep. That's what she has on. Okay, not too much now, don't get carried away. Just lightly dust it on there. But highlight, my favorite part, we are going to go with my new obsession from Brown Leaf Cosmetics. This is in the color, not the color. This highlight is, I always forget the name. No, it's some kind of apple cinnamon. I'll just put the name right here. I'm not sure. It's some kind of pastry. Is it apple cinnamon? Oh my God, I'll put the name right here. From AuNaturale. AuNaturale. And this lipstick is called Elsa Luisa. Now that is on, to lighten the center up, I'm going to use Adore from Love Mineral Cosmetics. And this is more of a lighter lilac color purple. And I have that right in the center. Now the final step in this whole process, my new obsession. This is my setting spray from Plain Jane Beauty. It is the coconut water setting mist with candelilla flower and poppy seed oil.